Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next problem. Problem having been chosen from the book Elements of Electromagnetics. Sorry, no, not. Fundamentals of electric. Let us see. Fundamentals of electric circuits. Okay, yes. Dear students, this problem has been chosen from the book Fundamentals of Electric Circuits. Fundamentals of Electric Circuits. Its authors are Charles K. Alexander and Matthew N. O. Sadiq. Okay. Dear students, as usual, we first come to its statement. Dear students, this problem is of so basic level, so initial level, so easy that we are dealing with such type of problems since about middle school level or even perhaps primary school level. But if something is taught in a primary school level or middle school level, then it does not mean that it cannot be included in higher level classes. Okay, because in every level we start from ABC. Okay, so this problem may be treated as ABC of electronics. Okay, so anyhow, we first come to its statement. Okay, an electric iron draws 2 ampere at 120 volt. Find its resistance. Okay, we have to find the resistance while current and voltage are given. Okay, 2 ampere current and 120 voltage. Okay. Yes, students, this is a short problem. This is ABC of electronics, but we have included this problem in our video lectures because the book which we are following is quite of a BS level, rather MPhil level. Okay, so we should not feel any hesitation in including such types of basic level problems. Okay, dear students, now we come toward its solution. The resistance R of an element denotes its ability to resist the flow of electric current. It is measured in ohm. Okay, this symbol is called omega. Okay, ohm denoted by symbol Greek alphabet omega. The resistance R denotes its ability to resist the flow of electric current. Here it becomes relevant to point out that resistance and conductivity are reciprocal of each other. Okay, this is ability to resist while conductivity is its reciprocal. Okay, greater the resistance, lower the conductivity, lower the resistance, greater the conductivity. So okay, so conductivity is not here our primary concern, but because it has become relevant here, so we have talked about a little. Okay, the resistance R of an element denotes its ability to resist the flow of electric current. It is measured in ohms. Its symbol is Greek alphabet omega. Expression is resistance R equal to voltage V over current I. This is what? This is Ohm's law. Okay, applying Ohm's law, we are going to find out the value of resistance R equal to V over I as per Ohm's law. Dear students, here V is given as 120 volt and I is given as 2 ampere. This implies that R will be equal to 120 volt over 2 ampere. This is equal to 60 ohm, because ohm is equal to volt over ampere. So one of the way to write this is just simply R equal to 120 over 2 equal to 60 ohm. Okay, in this situation we can omit V and A. Okay, because when 120 is divided by 2, its answer is 60, and then with 60 we can write omega ohm, while here R equal to 120 V over 2A, here V and A are not necessary. Okay, but anyhow, whether necessary or not necessary, we have used this. Okay, so dear students, this is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video, Allah Hafiz.